Thank you very much, all the wonderful speakers from our WASE. We are expecting 500,000 patients in the current year or the next year. And I equally give the credit to Aman. He is doing a equally good marketing for the Bangkok Hospital while highlighting their features during his exploration journey. And wonderful way he explained all the organic steps, how from a non-existent on the global map, Turkey become a very dynamic and leading player in this business. And then our friend Maria, she is trying to get rid of the medical tourism, but medical tourism is like inside her. Like you cannot get rid of the spirit. And our in Pakistan, our own organic role model Shafiq, with his wonderful RMI journey. And I am so glad to hear him. It's a very spontaneous way, the way he explained the journey. Instead of talking the fancy things, he said, every dish and every product and every price has its own audience. So we should be more natural instead of living in some kind of utopia. So heading myself one of the world's largest national universal health insurance program with over 200 million Pakistanis, we are promoting a sort of what Aman was guiding me about, promoting the national tourism to provide the health care at the doorstep of the people. And this health insurance miracle in Pakistan has made this possible. Now the new hospitals are emerging, not only like Dr. Hans Hospital in a capital city, but in the remotest area, the tribal belt at the border of the Afghanistan and Pakistan. 30% new facilities emerged during last 5 years after the universal health insurance. And that is the way forward. And I think I myself, we had started this program journey in a very humble way. And today we are one of the world's largest national health insurance program. And the key of the success was, let's do it. That's the only way forward. So while using this opportunity, standing from this forum, I announce with the support of Shafiq and so many other colleagues and Maria and my friend Aman, that we are going to establish Pakistan Healthcare Tourism Council next month. So let's do it. Let's do it. Instead of talking, let's do it, and we will be holding the first meeting next month. Shafiq, I need your and other friends' support, and let's do it. That's the only way. Yeah. Yeah, but I'm just afraid I should not be stuck like Maria in the next few years. For me, it will be Pakistan Healthcare Tourism Council. I purposely use the healthcare so it encompasses both the medical portion and the health portion. So it will be a bigger journey. People can come to the Hansa and do the yoga and spa and so many other good things, and some curative treatment in Dari language from Shafiq and Aga Khan, Karachi, and Shifa Hospital, Islamabad, and Evercare in Lahore. We have a lot of good scopes. And as rightly pointed out, again, thanks to Aman, that I have already enough honorary advisors and ambassadors across Pakistan, because in US, as you know, you can find only a doctor like a Shah or Patel. We always say some Pakistani or our neighboring Indian fellow. Pakistanis are good in hospitality, in the normal tourism. So using this medical skill set, hospitality culture, and a nice united combined effort with the government support, since I wear the both hats, being an ordinary citizen and being a government official, we'll try to mix and blend the both. So let's start journey with the slogan, Heal in Pakistan. So it's a very humble first step, which we are announcing or starting from today in presence of all of your wonderful colleagues. But I think every bigger journey or biggest journey starts with the first step. So I'm so glad being part of this talk or event, and I will suggest Zaki, my friend, so instead of naming it or labeling it with the medical tourism. From next year, it will be a healthcare tourism. So the scope should be more bigger. Not only the curative friends will be here, but the preventive and the wellness players should also be a part of this activity. And I'm glad, and I see a long, bright future. But the success is, A, let's do it, and B, with a very clear pathway, but don't wait for the perfect time. This time is the perfect time. Thank you very much.